first brush her teeth, and then now I need to cut the hair of our Bella. Oh, cut the hair of our Bella. First, cutting of hair. Wow, it's nice. Oh, very good naman yan. Oh, wait lang. And then, cut this one. Yan. Para very good yan. Wow, he comb your hair, oh. See? Nice naman siya, no? Comb niya yung hair niya. You know how to comb your hair. Matatandang ano na to eh. Matatandang ano na to eh. Nila lang. Lahat alam na kaagad.